Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive, stylish and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, of low maintenance hairstyle with different ideas of haircut, trendy collection, eye-catching ideas of hair dye, very attractive ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. In today's my collection, I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyle, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyle, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, mostly ideas spiky hairstyle in low maintenance hairstyle, and so beautiful trendy ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and so attractive eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, gray color, some ideas funky colors, and so stylish, and different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye-bye.